In a neon forest of pixel trees, a mischievous AI conjures a hero who can sneeze confetti instead of bullets. The narrator jokes that every sneeze triggers a boss fight with a rubber chicken referee blowing a whistle. AI then sprinkles randomly generated power-ups like gravity flip donuts and invisibility socks, all with ridiculous captions flashing on-screen. The chaos escalates when the hero negotiates peace with a grumpy toaster, demanding lemons for a treaty, leaving viewers in stitches. As the AI signs off, a sudden plot twist reveals the toaster is actually the game narrator, roasting the audience with puns.